Are you looking for the coolest gadgets to showcase at your science exhibition? From mind-blowing AI devices to incredible physics experiments, we've got 5 must-have gadgets that will make your project stand out. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last gadget on this list will blow your mind. Welcome back to Trend Toppers. Let's get started. First up, the plasma globe. This eye-catching gadget is a perfect mix of science and fun. When you touch the glass, electric currents follow your fingertips, creating a stunning lightning effect. If you want to attract crowds at your exhibition booth, this is a must-have. 2. DIY Hovercraft Science Kit. Ever wondered how hovercrafts work? With this DIY Hovercraft Science Kit, you can build your own miniature hovercraft that actually floats on air. This is an amazing way to explain physics while keeping your audience engaged and entertained. 3. AI-powered voice assistant. Want to add some futuristic AI to your exhibition? With an AI-powered voice assistant, you can demonstrate the power of machine learning and voice recognition right in front of your audience. Imagine coding your own AI assistant and letting visitors ask it science-related questions. That would be an epic exhibit. Now let's take your exhibition to another dimension, literally. 4. Hologram Projector. A hologram projector can create floating 3-dimensional images right in the air using advanced light refraction technology. Visitors will be amazed when they see images floating in mid-air. It's pure science magic. And finally, the ultimate crowd pleaser, a Tesla coil. This legendary invention by Nikola Tesla demonstrates wireless electricity in the most jaw-dropping way. This is the gadget to impress both kids and adults, and it's a must-have for any science exhibition. So, which of these gadgets would you love to bring to a science exhibition? Drop a comment below, like this video if you love science, subscribe for more awesome tech and science content, share this with a friend who loves experiments.